ChatGPT is trending everywhere right now, but most people don't actually know how to use it properly. In this video, I'll give you the complete beginner's guide, step by step. Hi everybody, this is your mobile editing girl, Haula Fati. For those who don't know me, welcome back to my channel. If you have ever wondered how ChatGPT works and how to set it up and how to actually get useful answers, this tutorial is for you. Stick around because I will also share pro tips that beginners actually miss. By the end of this video, you will know how to start using ChatGPT for everyday tasks like creating content, generating ideas, and even boosting your productivity. Let's go to the main content. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot made by openai. Are we together? Think of it as your personal assistant who can answer questions, write scripts, explain topics, or even help with business ideas. Step 2, how to create an account. To download the ChatGPT, you can sign up with Google. You can sign up with also Apple or email account. Go straight to Google, type in chat.openai.com. If you already have the account, we go straight to ChatGPT. Boom! Once you're logged in, you'll see a simple chat box where all the magic happens. Step 3, how to ask questions. When asking ChatGPT to write for you, don't just say, write me a story. No. Instead, give details like, write me a short story about superhero dog. You understand? It will give it to you. Just make it funny and keep it under 200 words. Are we together? 200 what? Words. The more specific you are, the better results you will get. Step 4, what you can use it for. ChatGPT is super versatile. You can ask it to write for you a YouTube scripts, create TikTok captions, draft emails and reports, learn completed topics in simple languages, brainstorm creative ideas. You understand? And you leave it to generate it for you. As you see there, it's generating. It will give you all the details about that. It's like having a writer, tutor, and coach all in one. You get it? Step 5, bonus tips for beginners. I have my top 3 tips. 1, always be clear and specific with your prompts. 2, ask follow-up questions to refine the answer. 3, save your best prompts so you can reuse them later. So to recap, ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that helps with writing ideas and learning. Sign up, give detailed prompts, explore different use cases, and keep refining your questions for better answers. That is it. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Drop a comment that says ChatGPT is trending so I know you made it to the end, okay? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!